Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you back here if you're a returning subscriber, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Mikaela, and here we talk about all things luxury, mostly handbags, but also other things like beauty and yeah, everything that's good in life. So today I actually have an unboxing for you, and I thought I was on Ban Island for a while. I was telling myself I was on Ban Island. But as you all know, this is a luxury disease and there is no cure. So yeah, I have an unboxing, and I think I kind of revealed what it was in my last video. I just fell instantly in love with this bag, so I just had to get it when they had it in store. So let's just jump right into it, because nobody likes the talking, everybody just wants to see the unboxing, right? So here we have it. It's of course a Louis Vuitton piece. Even though I was ranting about their customer service, I can't really help myself. You know how it is. And I was also talking a bit about the hot stamping, and I will show you in just a minute what that was all about. But I can't wait to unbox this baby so I can use it, because I have been waiting to unbox it with you guys. So here we have it in this teeny tiny little cute box. This is just the best feeling every time. Doesn't get old. That's not really good for my wallet though, but there's no better feeling in the world. Yay! And we have the beautiful dust bag in here. Can you guess it yet? As always, I'm probably the last one in the world, in the fashion community, to get this, but I don't really care. Oops, I think I gave you a peek. But come on, guys. Look at this cutie pie. So this is, as you all know, the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene canvas print. So as I mentioned in the last video, I have been looking at this one for probably like 6 to 10 months, so I think I did good. I did think about it before I bought it, so I just thought a bit too long, because this had gone up in price about 250 euros or 2,500 Norwegian kroner, so that was the only downside. But well, what can a girl do? This is actually my first piece in the Damier Ebene print. I'm totally in love with this. So you know, actually this is the classic canvas print from Louis Vuitton. So you would think that the monogram one is their original one, but this is actually the first canvas that they did. So that's really cool. So this is such an iconic style. It's such an iconic combination with the leather and the kind of chess squares, or whatever you want to call it. You can see here it says Louis Vuitton and little squares, and it has the 4 feet, and I'm a big fan of feet because I'm really cautious and careful with my bag, so I just love that you can protect that. And what do you call it, the bottom, that you can protect the bottom. Here we have the coated leather, so this is a dark brown, gorgeous chocolate color here, and we have the brass details, or the gold colored hardware. And if we open this little baby, we have this absolutely buttery smooth zip. And I did actually try this before I bought it, because I wanted to compare the two ones they had in store. So I just made sure that it was buttery smooth. And I'm not going to go into too much detail, because I know you all know this bag already. But of course, we have that beautiful red interior. And this is just such an eye candy piece, because this bright red together with this brown chocolate color is just gorgeous. Just fantastic. I'm in love with this color in here, and I mean, come on guys, how cute is this? And there's not really much of an interior going on here, but you have that little slip pocket here where you probably can fit a card or something. Can definitely not fit my phone. But in here we have, I think it's some kind of product card. Yeah, just says what it's made of. And we have the little lock in here in this teeny tiny, I don't know if you call it dust bag or pouch. And we also have the key kind of strap, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do this by myself, but I'm going to have to try. But you have to put this on together with this clochette, and the clochette is what I got hot stamped, and I'm going to show you that in a short while. But yeah, as you can see here, there's actually plenty of room to put stuff in here. And yeah, guys, I'm so happy that I got this. I'm just like a happy little child with my new toy. But yeah, the good thing is that you see the zipper moves all the way down here. But it has this kind of, I don't know what you would call this. It's kind of a stopper. So if you open this the whole way, your stuff will not fall out. So that's a great thing. You can actually open the whole zip part and get everything you need to get out of the bag without everything else falling out. So that's a great feature. But anywho, this little goodie also comes with a crossbody strap, or it's a shoulder strap. So I'm just gonna hook it onto here, and you see, yeah, you can probably see here. There's one that is more kind of a triangular or pointy shape, and that's where you kind of just click these on. So here we have a gorgeous little Alma BB. And this is, I think this is the smallest size, or they do maybe have one called Nano that is even smaller. I don't know what you would actually fit in that. I just heard so much great things about this bag, so I just had to have a look at it. And I actually did have a look at this originally in the black epi leather, but I just saw this and I just saw so many people on YouTube that had this in this print, and I just fell in love, of course, with the damier ribbon. It's just so cute. So yeah, here we have it, and this is just timeless. I think this particular bag was made for Coco Chanel because she had one in their luggage size and she wanted a handbag. I don't know if this was the size that she had. I think she maybe had the PM, that is the size up, but still, this has been around for, I think the handbag was made in the 30s, the 1930s, so that's just a great indicator. It's almost 100 years old, so it's not going anywhere. Classic and timeless and chic. So yeah, I was going to show you the hot stamping, and if you haven't seen my little story time and rant about the customer service in my local Louis Vuitton store, have a look at that one, because there was some problems with the hot stamping, and I'm going to show you the both actually, because I got to keep the other one because I guess they can't use it for anything since it has my initials on. So the original one that I got was actually this one, and this was the one that I said was crooked. So I don't know if it's visible on camera, but it's definitely visible in person. So if it's not showing off great on camera, I'm going to just insert some pictures because it might be hard to see when I'm just moving it around. But here you see, so it's not super obvious, but I'm a little bit OCD when it comes to my bags. I want everything to be perfect. So what you can see here is that the M is quite a bit wider, if you know what I mean, in comparison to the B. So it just looks off, and I just didn't like that. And that was the one that I wanted to be redone. And I got another one that I'm actually really pleased with. So I just got my single M for Mikaela, and I just think it's just so cute. And I do understand why people get just this one single big letter, because it's just, I don't know, it's just gives the bag an extra oomph. So I'm just gonna put this on and I'll show you how it looks. Hang on. I just realized I don't know how you actually put this on. So I'm gonna have to turn to the old Google. Give me a minute. So finally we got this on. I mean, I went to university, but this was not easy. So here we have it with this amazing, I think I did it right. I don't know if I can have this kind of hang a little bit straighter, but we know that this gets kind of smoother and softer in time, this whole treated leather. But I mean, look at this, it's just such a little, almost like a bag jewelry. It's just so cute, and it gives me the whole kind of luggage vibe. I think you can attach lock as well, but I'm not sure. I will definitely try to wear it, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be kind of, you know, noisy when you walk. I don't know, can you, if you have this one, let me know. But I guess the point is that you're gonna put it on here. Yeah, so what you can see is that you have a little hole or a little loop here on the, oops, on the zipper. So you're just gonna put it there. So here you have it with the little lock, and if I just pull it now, I'm just curious to see if this is hitting the, no, it's not actually. I thought this would kind of hit the table or hit the bottom of the bag if I just had it like this, but it's just, it's fine. It's not too noisy yet, but let's, I'm just gonna take it out for a walk, I guess, and see how this looks. And yeah, so this is my lovely new baby, my lovely new bag baby, the Alma BB in the damier band. I'm so happy with my purchase, and I can't really wait to use her. I'm so happy. I think this is a perfect everyday bag. You can wear it crossbody, as you all know, and you can wear it just by the shoulder strap. You can wear it handheld, or definitely in the crook of your arm. My arm fits nicely here, and I can't wait to wear her out. I think this is just the perfect bag for everyday and for more dressed up occasion as well. But it's just a great, you know, classic bag. And a classic style that you just can't go wrong with. So I'm a little bit curious to see how this treated leather that we have on the damier band, this dark brown leather, how this is kind of going to wear. I've heard some people getting crinkles, and that it might be a little bit uncomfortable because it's not as smooth and moldable like the Vaqueta. But I don't know, maybe you will kind of notice it a bit more when you pack this bag full, but it doesn't feel, I'm wearing a dress right now and I have naked shoulders, so it doesn't seem to me like it would be a problem, but I guess you'll notice after a while. But yeah, super happy with my purchase, couldn't be happier. I'm so excited to wear her out. What do you think about this little addition to my bag family? Do you have this? Do you like it? Are you planning on buying it? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit the subscription button and the notification bell if you want to join the family and get updates on my new videos. I usually post once or twice a week. Until next time, stay safe, take care.